Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, and he is teaching by his own example. Who is eligible to love Krishna? Who is a person who will get Krishna's mercy? Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Pranadapi sunichena taroreva sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. The person who is desiring to love Krishna, he need to be humbler than the grass. You see, if you put the grass down, it will again come up. But he need to be humbler than the grass. Even if somebody steps, it will not come up. Taror eva sahishnuna. He need to be tolerant like a tree. Trees, even if trees gives everything. But trees, if somebody is cutting, he never says anything. Taror eva sahishnuna. He is so tolerant. Like Krishna is saying, Matra spashastu konteya shitoshna sukha dukkhada angama payani tatantitik saksha bharata tolerate. The trees are tolerating. And Taror eva sahishnuna amanina manadena. Amanina manadena means even if somebody is not giving you respect, but you give respect to everyone. সকলে সম্মান করিতে শকতি দিও নাথ যথাযথ তবে তো গাইব হরি নাম সুখে অপরাধ হবে হত. Even if somebody is giving respect or not, Vaishnava or a Vaishnavi is always ready to give respect to others. So let us learn from the grass, from the tree. Trinadapi sunichena taroreva sahishnuna amanina mandena kirtaniya sadahari. Stay blessed and stay connected with Krishna. And Krishna will make us all very happy. But we need to practice it. If the heart is soft by practicing this, then Krishna will come and sit here. Hare Krishna.